Let me introduce myself. My name is Manaso. You can call me Panda. I was born and raised in Vientiane. I am from a family of 8. I have 2 siblings. I am the youngest.
I am the youngest.
I am the youngest. I am now a secondary school student in grade 12 at Vieng Sawan School. Now I am improving my English communication skills by taking an English course at the Humphrey Center.
Alright, Panda, would you please tell us what are the main challenges you face in your study?
I am quite excited when I have to speak in front of many people.
Can you repeat that again? Speak
Speak
in front of.
in front of many people. It always makes me nervous.
Can you say makes
Makes
it always
it always
makes me nervous?
makes me nervous.
Very good. Why do you study English?
I study English because I would like to improve my English communication skills to enable me communicate
To communicate.
to communicate and work with international people
Why did you apply to study English at the Humphrey Center?
because at the Humphrey Center the teachers are good at teaching. They promote their
Students.
students to speak.
Very good. How did you find English?
I think English useful
Is useful.
is useful for me because it is a world language.
Language.
It will enable me to communicate with international people.